What up, it's Hero J, and welcome to Super Mario Maker 2 Episode 2. So yesterday I made the video of Episode 1, and today's Episode 2, where today we are not going to be playing your levels, like people's levels, but we're going to be doing story mode today. So, and I forgot to put my link to my Instagram down below. I already saw, like, the cutscene yesterday, so basically we need to rebuild Peach's castle. Chief, I can't believe it. Princess Peach's castle. We have to rebuild it. But we've used up our entire budget. This is really bad. Leave it to me. Of course, why didn't I think of that? You can collect enough coins for us to rebuild. With your help, we can make an even bigger and better castle than before. That's why I'm here. Go see if the Taskmaster can scrape together a few jobs for you. We need funding. No problem, Toadette. Or Chief, whatever. Toady boy. So I wasn't eavesdropping or nothing, but I kind of sort of overheard your entire conversation with the chief. Yes, you did. Lucky for us, I got a line on some jobs from around the world. Good. If you can complete enough jobs, we should be able to make enough coins to rebuild the whole castle. That's good. I gotta say, knowing you're gonna single-handedly fund this entire construction effort really takes the pressure off me, you know? Yeah, thanks for that. Okay, no time to waste. Check out this new job from someone named Goomba Lover. Most of these clients don't use their real names. I don't ask blah 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 blah. I'm not gonna read the rest of this. So, downhill battle. I made a course full of Goombas. Let's go. Good luck out there, Big Red. And not talking about Santa. Talking about Mr. Mario Man. 5 lives, Goomba Lover. Here we go. Oh god, no, get back here. Oh, come on, really? Come on. Thank you. Whatever. No, get. So yeah, for this, I'm gonna be doing like 3. For the story mode, I'm going to do maybe 4 challenges. Yeah, no, 4 jobs per episode for story mode, so... Not really. Whatever. Up, up. Up, up. Go down here. Up and at 'em. Oh my god. Okay, that's a little sad. Mario time. Okay, let's quickly fix. Okay, there you go. Okay, so how much money were we able to get? 29 payment. 129. That's good enough. Give the coins to the chief. Okay. Here you go, chief. Mario, you're back. I hope you have some good news for me. Yes. Way to go, Mario. We need those coins to rebuild the castle. Okay, choose a foundation. There you go. You're sure this is about right? Yes. Okay, let's get with building. Let's get building. Foundation's already gonna work. Construction has started on the foundation. We'll keep on working while you're making us some moolah. So get out there and do some more jobs. On, Chief. So, got some new jobs for you, Mario. But first, a word of advice from old Taskmaster Toad. You can run the same job as many times as you want. You can't get paid for it again, but you can keep any coins you pick up. Okay. Now, back to work. Some new jobs just came in. Okay. On-off switch research expedition. Good luck, Big Red. Let's do it. On-off switch research expedition by Dr. Gizmo. Oh, okay, this is Super Mario. This is Super Mario. Okay. Bum 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 bum. Okay, so. Okay, that's sad. Oh, I forgot. It's kind of hard to see things from. Stop, stop. Oh, come on, really? Oh no. There we go. Hold on. Chomp chomp, go back over there. That's you. Whatever. There you go. Nope, hold on. Oh. Okay, that's just the life. It's not important. Oh, well, that worked. Okay, heading down here. Oh, God. Okay. Whoa, whoa, why it's blurry? Come on, get back to focus. There you go. Oh, God. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Choke. I choked. Really? Sorry. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna try to make everything easier for me. Okay, that does not work. Wait, what if I... Oh, come on. I'm trying to make life... There you go, I knew it. Okay, go, 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 go. There you go. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. There you go. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Alright, there you go. That is course number 2. Finished. Finito. Let me just a little bit more. That's better. 55. Alright, 184. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Not too shabby. 1% done. Okay, so continue jobs. You want jobs? I got jobs. Okay, hello 3D world. Have fun. Okay, so this one was made by Lonely Farmer. Hello 3D world. Here we go. Also, that explains why the... Okay, so the first level must have been from Super Mario Brothers U. Okay, sorry guys, quick edit right there. I kind of failed this level, so I had to restart. So I just had to stop that. All right, what do I do here? Okay. No, okay, that helped. There you go. There you go. Whatever. No, not down there. This is where we get Cat Mario. Oh, not there. Really? Come on, can we make, okay, no, we can't make it. Forget it. Come on, get over here. Ugly little Goomba. Really? Let's go. Oh, I'm mad. I'm mad now. Really? There we go. There we go. Oh, come on. Come on. That's the second time I failed this. This is so bad. Oh my god. At least saved. Oh, wait, hold on, kid. Okay, I don't care, I don't care. No! This should be very easy. Okay, screw it, I'm not going for that. I'm not going for that stupid, thing. Mother fricker. Hi, big bro, if you're having some trouble. No! Wait, what's this? I didn't even see those parts. Huh? No. No. I don't need it. Oh, this should be... I don't care. I don't care. You don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Yeah. Really? Oh, come on. Okay, I hate everything. Maximum effort! No, okay, failed. I shouldn't have died. I feel like such an idiot for that. I really feel like it. Okay, how much money did I get? Together, okay, 3L6. It's not that bad. Alright, foundation's complete. Okay, so we're gonna leave... yeah, we're gonna leave this episode here of Super Mario Maker 2 Story Mode. We're gonna continue it on next Tuesday. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed me failing. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Hero J. Hasta la pasta, my friends.